Integration by parts. Okay. So by parts will be used that when the two functions product is given to you, and second function is not a derivative of the first function. In case second function is a derivative of the first function, we will use the substitution method. First function is the derivative of the second function. Not only the first and second here, one function is the derivative of the other function means, then we will consider the which function is a derivative of that function. Substitution method we are going to use. So if there it is not possible, if it is a product of the two functions like f of x into g of x, then we will use the by parts here. So by parts के लिए let us consider that integration of uv dx. uv dx let us consider. Here you don't consider that u is nothing but f of x and v is nothing but g of x. ऐसा consider मत करो. ये functions है. So when you are finding the derivative of the uv, u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx we are going to get. And integrating this, we are going to get it. Here integration of this part plus integration of this. So integration of derivative of uv is uv we are going to get. So uv is equals to integration of u dv by dx. So this part you please try to concentrate here. Integration of u dv by dx is equals to uv minus. ये किधर से आया है? Once you see here, you may get confused. I'll explain to you. Integration of derivative of uv is uv. First, what you have to do to prove this one, by parts prove करने के लिए, we need to take the derivative of the uv. Means derivative of the two functions to be taken into consideration. So when if you are taking the derivative of the two functions, that is will be written as u dv by dx plus v du by dx. And this you integrate on both sides. When you are integrating on both sides, integration of d by dx of uv dx. So integration of derivative of the one function is same function. एक ही फंक्शन को डेरिवेटिव करो, इंटीग्रेट करो, देन वी आर गोइंग टू गेट द सेम फंक्शन. x का x स्क्वायर का डेरिवेटिव क्या है? 2x. x स्क्वायर का डेरिवेटिव 2x. 2x का इंटीग्रेशन 2 into x square by 2. 2 गेट कैंसिल, अगेन x स्क्वायर आएगा, सेम फंक्शन आएगा. लाइक दैट एक ही फंक्शन uv इज द वन फंक्शन, इसको डेरिवेटिव करके इंटीग्रेशन कर दिया तो uv आएगा. एंड ये पार्ट क्या है? Two parts का derivative है. Now here this part is taken to the left hand side and this is taken to the right hand side. This part means uv is taken to the right hand side. ये left hand side में आया uv minus integration of v du by dx. Yes. Now here in this situation we need to consider the u को f of x consider करो, dv by dx को g of x consider करो. ये f of x है, ये g of x है. Just you consider like that. Okay, first step में just u is considered as a f of x, dv by dx is g of x. That it will be shown to you. u is equals to f of x means du by dx क्या होगा? f dash of x होगा. तो ये f dash of x होगा. du by dx. du by dx will be the f dash of x. And you need to consider dv by dx is equal to g of x. v का डेरिवेटिव g of x है. तो v क्या होगा? Integration of g of x होगा ना. Did you get here everyone please try to concentrate here. There will be a confusion that from this statement you need to consider the u is equals to f of x, dv by dx is equals to g of x. When u is equals to f of x, du by dx is equals to f dash of x we are going to get, and dv by dx is equals to g of x means derivative of the v is g of x. Then v क्या होगा? इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ g of x होगा ना. v को डेरिवेटिव कर दिया तो g of x आएगा. Then what is v means? Integration. So wherever v is there you need to write the g of x. Wherever du by dx is there you have to write the f dash of x. So these two things you need to replace on the right hand side of this one. तो इधर replace कर लिया, so then we are going to get the integration by parts formula we are going to get it. So इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ ये f of x है, ये g of x dx is equals to uv बोला. u is nothing but f of x, v is nothing but integration of g of x. v is nothing but integration of g of x, and minus integration. v is nothing but integration of g of x, and du by dx is nothing but f dash of x. In the previous step we have. So from this we are going to get integration of f of x into g of x dx is equals to f of x into integration of g of x dx minus integration of integration of g of x into f dash of x dx. So that is nothing but two functions product whenever it is given to you. The integration of the product of the two functions is equals to first function into integral of the second function minus integral of the differential coefficient of the first function minus into integral of the second function. Okay, selecting the first function and second function. Selecting the first function and second function, you see इंटीग्रल ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द टू फंक्शन, दोनों फंक्शन का प्रोडक्ट का इंटीग्रल फाइंड आउट करना है. तो फर्स्ट फंक्शन एज इट इज लिखना है, सेकेंड फंक्शन को इंटीग्रेशन करना है माइनस इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ डेरिवेटिव ऑफ द फर्स्ट फंक्शन इनटू इंटीग्रल ऑफ द सेकेंड फंक्शन. फर्स्ट डेरिवेटिव, फर्स्ट फंक्शन को डेरिवेटिव करना है, सेकेंड फंक्शन को इंटीग्रेट करना है, ये दोनों को प्रोडक्ट करना है, ये प्रोडक्ट को इंटीग्रेट करना है. सेकेंड पार्ट, इज इट क्लियर? दैट इज ओनली हियर. सी हियर f of x, g of x. f of x first function, g of x second function. First function into integral of the second function, integration of g of x minus integration of derivative of the first function. First function का derivative f dash of x and integration of the second function. So this is the thing is that now how do we select the first function and second function? Second function and first function selecting के लिए we are going to use the here f of x into g of x dx whenever you are having. This is the thing isolate. So this thing we are going to use isolate. Okay, it is, you can write this one. I represents the inverse trigonometric functions. I represents the inverse trigonometric functions, and L is inverse trigonometric functions like sin inverse x and cos inverse x. L represents logarithmic functions, log x. A represents algebraic functions just like ax square plus bx. T represents trigonometric functions, and E represents exponential functions, that is e power x, a power x, like that. Means power में x है. In case if you are having in the power x, okay. हाँ, yes, I'll explain to you. You can write isolate or liate. I'll tell you that one, because I and L whenever you are taking, you can take the, I already yesterday also explained that one, you missed I think so. So let us, I'll explain to you. Just see that here x into sin x है. Here two functions product है. X into sin x means two functions product. So x is a algebra, sin x is a trigonometry. तो isolate use कर लिया तो उसके हिसाब से ये फर्स्ट है, t नेक्स्ट है. तो दैट मीन्स अलजेब्रा फर्स्ट लेना है, मीन्स ये x को फर्स्ट फंक्शन लेना है, सेकेंड फंक्शन को sin x लेना है. सपोज x into sin inverse x dx दे दिया, x into sin inverse x dx दे दिया, तो इनवर्स फर्स्ट लेना. सो sin inverse x को फर्स्ट फंक्शन पे जैसा लेना है, देन आफ्टर अलजेब्रा फंक्शन x लेना है. सो दैट मीन्स यू नीड टू राइट हियर इनवर्स फर्स्ट में है, अलजेब्रा सेकंड में है. So x represents that algebraic function, sin inverse x represents that inverse. So first sin inverse x, as you need to take the sin inverse x को f of x लेना है, and x को, so you need to write this as an integration of sin inverse x into x. Suppose another situation, x cube into log x दे दिया. First function here it is given to you as a algebra, second logarithm दे दिया. But as per the isolate, whenever you are taking logarithm first है, algebra second है. So you need to write this, rewrite as a isolate whenever you are taking log x first लेना है and next after algebraic function. So you need to rewrite this as a log x into x cube and proceed by parts. By parts proceed करने के लिए log x into x cube लेना है. Okay. So this is the situations to you. And here the thing is that whenever you are finding the integration of this one, let us see here integration of f of x. Here f of x is log x and g of x is x cube. So f of x, g of x values लेके integrate कर लेते हैं, then we are going to get the required integration value. Why we need to take like that? You need to think a little bit. Yeah. Why do we take like that? You analyze करो. ये derivative of the कभी रखो. We are going to do the integration whenever we are finding the power of the variable will go on increases. Derivative कर रहे तो decrease हो जाए. This is the main concept you need to keep in your mind. So here we are going to take the second function as a x cube if you are taking here. you see, observe that integration of d by dx of log x, d by dx of log x. So this is 1 by x we are going to get, and integration of x cube we are going to get x to the power of 4 by 4. So and this x and this x to the power of 4 cancel ho jayega, x3 by x cube by 4 we are going to get. So integration of x cube you can find it. Integration of x cube you can find it. Okay. Derivative of the log x is 1 by x, and integration of x cube is x power 4 by 4. And on simplifying this, you are going to get integration of x cube. So x power 4 by 4 log x minus 1 by 4 into x power 4 by 4 plus c. Last में constant of integration compulsory to be added here. So the final integration value, log पहले ले लिया. Yes, first function is taken as a logarithm x power 4 by 16 plus c. Okay. So like this is one way to solve the whenever it is given. Now here your question. Whenever it is given to you, a will be in the middle. I and L. Even you can interchange the L and L. Suppose logarithm and inverse दे दिया है. Logarithm and inverse दे दिया. First logarithm ले सकते हैं, बाद में inverse भी ले सकते हैं. ये दोनों में नहीं. But logarithm and algebra दे दिया. First logarithm लेना है. Algebra तो middle हो जाएगा. So you can rewrite this as a ilet or in the same way trigonometry and exponential. First exponential, next trigonometry. Only a function containing the trigonometry and exponential, you can take the either trigonometric function as the first one and exponential as the second one. You can take the exponential as the first one, trigonometry. So you may get this one. ये थोड़ा pronunciation में different है ना. Second वाला देखो, याद रखना तो इसको pronounce भी कर. ये तो just one sentence word framing है. Word framing है, वो एक order के लिए दे दिया. याद रखने के लिए. ये याद रखना थोड़ा सा pronunciation नहीं आता है. इसको कैसे pronounce करते हैं? LIAET. ऐसा pronounce भी थोड़ा सा different है. So that's why we used to usually use ilet. ये याद रहेगा. ilet हम बोलते हैं तो याद रहेगा. So that's why we will use. But in case of even these two functions are given to you, trigonometry and exponential, if it is given to you, either you can take the trigonometric function or exponential function first, and you try the problems based on that. You are going to get it very clear. You can take like that also. So you may find out in some book LIATE also. LIATE भी देता है. ये TE next में देने का. So now here with the integration of constant while performing the when you are performing the integration by parts find out करते समय second expression में minus के बाद integration of derivative of the first function into integration of the second function will be there. But at that place integration का time पे constant लेना है नहीं लेना है. समझ में आ रहे हैं ना? Normally whenever you are taking the integration by parts, in the integration by parts, second expression, the second part, what is f of x into integration of g of x dx minus integration of f dash of x into integration of g dash of g of x. So ये integration of g of x is ना, उधर constant लेना है नहीं लेना है. So if you are taking, if you are not taking also, same answer you are going to get. That's why we will not take the constant of integration inside. At last we are going to take the constant of integration. That is shown to you. One example you see x e power x दे दिया है. इधर है x into integration of e power x dx, integration of d by dx of x, integration of e power x. इधर if I am taking constant, what will happen? Let us see here. देखो इधर भी constant ले लिया k, constant को k ले लिया. x e power x plus k minus integration of d by dx of x is 1 and इसका integration क्या है? e power x plus k ले लिया constant. Now you do the integration x e power x plus kx minus integration of e power x होगा, integration of kx होगा, plus c last में constant ले लिया because इसका integration में ले लिया तो last में plus c लेना है ना, so plus c ले. Now I am simplifying this, what do you get? x e power x plus kx, इधर minus kx cancel हो जाएगा, then x e power x minus e power x plus c हो जाएगा. The final answer is e power x into x minus 1 plus c. This is वो ना लेने से भी सेम हो जाएगा. दैट इज अ थिंग एक्सप्लेनिंग हियर. विथ while with integration of constant while performing integration, without integration of constant while performing. इधर क्या है, इस इंटीग्रेशन करते समय हम लोग कांस्टेंट नहीं लेंगे, तभी फाइनल आंसर यू आर गोइंग टू गेट दिस वन ओनली. So that is a thing here explained to you. X e power x minus e power x. E power x का integration e power x. Final answer is same. So that means inside whenever you are taking integration, it is not necessary. Okay. So integral of the some functions whose integrals are unknown to us. So integration of log x, integration of sin inverse x, integration of cos inverse x, integration of tan inverse x. Integration of log x, don't get confused that integration of 1 by x is log x. Integration of log x is not 1 by x. ये ज्यादा लोग कंफ्यूज होता है. So whenever to find out this one, 1 लेना पड़ता है. So integration means second function to be taken as a 1. 1 is here what? Algebra. 1 is a constant. So 1 can be taken as an algebra function. 1 should be considered as an algebra. And when you are proceeding like that, the final you are going to get x log x minus x plus c. So integration of log x क्या है? बोलो. x log x minus x. ये भी फॉर्मूला की जैसा याद रखो. Integration of log x. What is integration of log x? X log x minus x plus c. Or you can take that x into log x minus 1. X into log x minus 1. ब्रैकेट में मींस x कॉमन ले लिया तो x into log x minus 1 plus c. ये थोड़ा प्रोनाउंसिएशन में कंफ्यूजन हो सकता है. दैट्स व्हाई आई टोल्ड यू x log x minus x plus c. x log x minus, ये तो प्रोनाउंसिएशन इनटू है ना. x into log x minus 1 मींस थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजन हो सकता है. दिस इज अ वे टू फाइंड आउट द log x. इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ sin inverse x. इधर आल्सो व्हाइल यू परफॉर्मिंग sin inverse x इंटीग्रेशन, one should be taken as a second function. So I लेट में I is first, inverse. So inverse, sin inverse x first function लेना है. Next function should be taken as a one as a second function g of x. And when you are proceeding like this and by applying sin inverse x here, 1 by under root of x square. So here x is there. So we need to change this one into the substitution method. Substitution method apply करना. The derivative of this one should be in the numerator. Already I have explained to you this one in the yesterday's class also. Integration of f dash of x by root x of x. क्या है? Integration of f dash of x by root f of x. 2 root f of x plus c. ये भी याद रखो. Integration of f dash of x by root f of x means इसका रूट में क्या है, इसका डिफरेंशिएशन न्यूमरेटर में होता है तो then the integration is 2 root f of x. So that here you can prove that one. See here this one prove करने के लिए इधर हमको क्या चाहिए, इसका डिफरेंशिएशन क्या है, -2x है ना. x is there, so we need -2. So but here it is considered 1 minus x square equal to t. Substitution method में -2x dx equal to dt, x dx equal to dt by 2. इधर सब्स्टिट्यूट कर लिया 1 by root t. लास्ट में फाइनल में you are going to get it as a, but here the thing is that minus is there. Minus we are going to get it. ये minus simple way में करना है तो minus multiply कर दिया, then 1 by 2 ले लिया है. So then we are going to get it as a integration of cos inverse x also in the same way you are going to get. So final answer for the integration of cos inverse x is x cos inverse x minus under root of 1 minus x square plus c. sin inverse x का इंटीग्रेशन क्या है? sin inverse x का इंटीग्रेशन क्या होगा? Yes, sin inverse x इंटीग्रेशन is x sin inverse x plus under root of 1 minus x square. cos inverse x का इंटीग्रेशन x cos inverse x minus होगा under root of 1 minus x square. All these formulas you need. And tan inverse x next. ये भी सेम बाई पार्ट्स मेथड यूज करके into 1 लेके कंप्लीट करना पड़ता है. When you are completing is here 2 should be multiplied. ये क्या है? इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ f dash of x by f of x क्या है? इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ f dash of x by f of x. log f of x वही आ जाएगा इधर. log 1 by 2 मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. सो tan inverse x का इंटीग्रेशन क्या है? x tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 log of 1 plus x square. So 3 formulas, new 4 formulas we have learned now. What are that? Integration of log x log x minus x plus c, or x into log x minus 1 plus c. Integration of sin inverse x sin inverse x plus under root of 1 minus x square plus c. Integration of cos inverse x cos inverse x minus under root of 1 minus x square plus c. And tan inverse x tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 log and mod 1 plus x square plus c. And apart from that, some integrals with the exponential functions. This also we have discussed. E power x can be written as e power x into f of x plus f dash of x. If you are having, so e power x into f of x plus c. The integration of e power x into f of x plus f dash of x. So sum of the two functions if it is given to you, this is whenever you are taking integration of e power x plus f of x plus e power x into f dash of x. Inside e power x ले लिया, okay, inside it was taken into e power x, and when you are proceeding like this, e power x separately integration is taken. Separately integration is taken. So e power x f of x dx is equals to, so f of x into integration of e power x dx. ये थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम लेंथी हो सकता है, एंड दिस पार्ट विल बी गेट कैंसल्ड, एंड फाइनली यू आर गोइंग टू गेट f of x into e power x minus integration of f dash of x e power x plus integration of e power x f dash of x dx. We are going to get it. So these two will get cancelled. Finally, we are going to get e power x into f of x plus c. ये याद रखो, this is also very important formula है. In most of the cases the question will be given to you. एक sample question में बोलता हूँ, e power x bracket में, in the bracket sin inverse x plus 1 by under root of 1 plus x square bracket close dx. क्या है? e power x sin inverse x, e power x in the brackets tan inverse x plus 1 by 1 plus x square, e power x tan inverse x. Direct answers. Okay, so these things you try to remember here. Integration of, now here some more types of the integrals. These three types, these three models, 1 by, when they are in denominator you have learned. Integration of 1 by under root of 1 minus x square minus a square. क्या है? 1 by logarithm of x plus this one, ये logarithm of x plus this one, ये sin inverse x by a. This is in the 1 by whenever it is there. I'm not saying this one, 1 by whenever it is given. Okay, so now here to prove these three, we need to use the integration by parts only. Let us consider this integral as a I, and here we will take the first one function into integral of the x square minus a square here. So x square minus a square, one algebra function, and this is also algebra function. Both are algebra here. Both are algebra, but one is taken as, this is first function, this is second function. Why? When you are taking this one as the second function, इसका इंटीग्रेशन कर लिया तो इंटीग्रेशन, बिकॉज सेकेंड फंक्शन का इंटीग्रेशन करना पड़ता है. सेकेंड फंक्शन का इंटीग्रेशन whenever we are performing, इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ अंडर रूट एक्स मीन्स 1 by 2 root x हो जाएगा, और वो इंटीग्रेशन बढ़ते जाएगा, सिंप्लीफाई नहीं होगा. Both algebra functions are given to you. So depending upon the situation, you need to choose that which can be reduced more. So one, if you are taking integration of 1 is x आ जाएगा. So differentiation whenever you are proceeding like this, if f of x is equals to x square minus a square ले लो, and apply the integration by parts and simplify it. x square आ जाएगा, x here आ जाएगा, x here आ जाएगा, x square. So add a square and subtract a square, because we are having here x square minus a square is there, minus a square is there. So subtract this a square and add the a square and split the two. इधर subtract the a square and add a square. So इसको split कर लो दोबारा, ये पार्ट को two parts कर, x square minus a square by under root of a square a and plus a square by split कर दी. Then after this we'll get one more I. ये दोबारा हम whatever integration we are finding, that is a I here. So I is equals to x into under root of x square minus a square minus I minus a square, integration of a square by under root of x square minus a square. So the I इधर लेके आओ, 2i हो जाएगा. 2i is equals to x into under root of x square minus a square So what is the integration of 1 by under root of x square minus a square? Logarithm of, just now in the starting of the this proof I told you, ये क्या है, इसका इंटीग्रेशन क्या है, logarithm of x plus this one, logarithm of x plus this one. Okay, so 2y is equals to, we are going to get this one, x into under root of x square minus a square minus a square logarithm of x plus under root of x square minus a square plus c, and integral whatever the required integral we need, ये 2 right hand side लेके जाओ, then we are going to get x by 2 of under root of x square minus a square into logarithm of x plus under root of a square minus x square minus a square plus c. So same way, whenever you are proceeding, x square minus a square d square can be evaluated by substituting the a is equal. This situation में ये under root of x square minus this can be evaluated by substituting x is equals to a secant theta substitute करके भी हम लोग find out कर सकते हैं. We can substitute x place में a secant theta लेके भी substitute कर सकते हैं. So that is one more, and second part also in the same way we are going to have here. First function same as it is, but last we are going to get the result as this is the final result. I is equals to x by 2 integration of x square plus a square means, so do remember that minus a square में minus होगा, plus a square में plus होगा. This is the one formula you need to remember here. So x by 2 of under root of x square plus a square by 2 of logarithm of x plus a. माइनस का फॉर्मूला में क्या होगा, सेम फॉर्मूला x by 2 अंडर रूट ऑफ x स्क्वायर माइनस a स्क्वायर by 2 हो, एंड a स्क्वायर माइनस x स्क्वायर में क्या होगा, सेम x by 2 ऑफ अंडर रूट ऑफ a स्क्वायर माइनस x स्क्वायर प्लस a स्क्वायर by 2 ऑफ साइन इनवर्स x by a हो जाए, बिकॉज a स्क्वायर माइनस इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 1 by अंडर रूट ऑफ a स्क्वायर माइनस x स्क्वायर, ये वाला ये फाइनल a square by 2 of sin inverse x by a square by 2 of sin inverse x by a. So all the three formulas are little bit similar here. Okay, so this is about the